Super Sanvi. Friends, in your school there must be competitions such as best out of waste. And you always think that what should I make? So today I have an idea that I am going to make a beautiful thermacol lamp with a thermacol glass, and it's super easy. So watch my video till the end. Friends, first step, we are going to take a tape and a scissors. Here I have taken a golden color tape, but you can take any color tape. So, we are going to put tape here and here so that it looks much beautiful. Friends, I have applied tape here. Now we have to apply tape here. Now I am sticking the tape here. See friends, I have stick my tape on my glass. So friends, we have to stick this golden tape on 9 more glasses, so total glasses 10. See friends, out of 10 glasses on 6 glasses, we are going to apply golden sparkle here, like this. See friends, my 6 glasses with tape and sparkle are ready. Now let them dry. Friends, now from the leftover 4 glasses, let's see that what we have to do. Take 2 glasses, take a fevicol, and here we are going to apply some fevicol. Like this. I have applied my fevicol. Now I am going to take my second glass and stick it here like this. And also let it dry. Now from the leftover 2 glasses we are going to do the same. Friends, my 2 glasses are ready. Now friends, we are going to apply glue here and stick these 2 glasses like this. It looks like a tall building. But remember that we have to hold these glasses carefully with light hands. Now take another one and stick. See, my tall, huge, beautiful tower is ready. Friends, now take any little torch or any laser light or whatever you have. Take a double-sided tape, cut it. Put it on the top. Like this, and take a glittery cup and stick it just inside in the center of this cup, and see the magic. I sticked. I have taken 2 small torches and put them inside my small beautiful cups. If you want, you can take more small torches and put it inside all the 6 cups. Friends, next step. Take your double-sided tape and stick it full length. Start from here till here. Cut it. And see, I have applied my double-sided tape on all my 6 glittery glasses. Now take one glass and here on the top. Very slowly stick it. Same way, stick the next glass just near to it. Friends, my beautiful lamp is ready, but I think its stand is too long. So if you want, you can reduce one glass. I'm reducing very carefully. Now it's perfect. See friends, my lamp is almost ready, but one thing is left. I have applied my golden glitter on all my 6 glasses and this glass is left, so why not apply here too. Very carefully spread it. Friends, if you have more lights, then you can put them inside all the 6 glasses. Finally, my beautiful lamp is ready. And who can say this lamp is made up of thermacol glasses? Oh wow, it's looking so beautiful.